This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing video. Here I'm again with another bag for you guys from Guess. It's a lovely looking bag. Is a match with this Guess sneaker. I have reviewed this one. I've unboxed this one already. Guess this one. So this bag is a pair match of this. Lovely. Let's see. Beautiful. This lovely packaging of Guess. Let me take this off. Wow, beautiful, very premium from Guess. You can see here guys how beautiful the design. Lovely. Guess is writing, branding most important, and the different dots, golden dots here. Lovely. Wow, the lock, you can see here how premium, metal, no plastic, metal all the way. Behind you have a zipper to put things, emergency things. You can put here credit card, other stuff as well. Lovely. This side you can see as well, beautiful belt. This one you can take it hanging with you. Let me open here. The button, premium, golden for Guess. From Guess. Inside, look at this guys, the writing all the way, Guess all the places. A premium Guess original product. Okay, you could have many counterfeit of this one, but the original is always original. You have another zipper, secret zipper inside. You have here, see, lovely. You have two pack, two side, inside one slim for emergency slim things, and at the middle you have more space. Beautiful leather in this case, could be a pure leather or artificial leather in this case, but lovely. Look at this, the quality of this one, premium, lovely design all the way. Wow, look at this one, the matching this Guess sneaker guys, you can see. Wow, let me show you a bit closer now. Look at the stitching, perfect, premium this one. Internal as you see here. So here this pack, you have a round curve line here to go to have easy access. The second one zipper, to be small size, this one has many zipper inside, many places to store, we can say that. Bottom side you can see perfect. So nowhere I can see any design error, all the places perfect. This bag guys, beautiful. Okay guys, if you like to see more this type of bag, fashionable thing, check the video description. I have many things from Guess or other premium brand as well. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.